Hi friends, do you remember this frozen drumsticks? Yeah, I had frozen and kept this drumstick in the fridge in October end, and now it's like November, December, January, 3 months now. Now I have taken it now out, and today I'm going to prepare a quick sambar and a quick avial with these drumsticks. So first I have got some vegetables left. So this is the end of the week. So I've got some vegetables left. So today I thought I'll prepare a quick avial and a sambar with the vegetables that are left. So the same vegetables will go into the avial and the sambar, and they are the water bean, raw bananas, 2 tomatoes, 2 potatoes, papaya. Papaya, I won't be putting it in the sambar. It will be completely put in the avial. And melon, white melon, a small piece of coconut which has been used, and only a little is left. We need only a little bit of coconut for the avial, and yam, and 2 carrots. Okay, so now I'll cut all the vegetables and put them into 2 plates. So we need little vegetables for the sambar and the maximum for the avial. So I'll do that, and then I'll start cooking. Okay. So now I have cleaned all the vegetables, and so the difference between a sambar vegetable and a avial vegetable is that I have added brinjal to the sambar vegetable, and in the avial I have added this papayas, raw papayas. So in my papaya, so papaya gives a sweet taste. It's very tasty and it's very nutritious also. So I add papaya. So now I have just cleaned the vegetables. I haven't cut them into small pieces. So there is always an argument between my mother and her maid. Her maid likes to cut all the vegetables into small pieces and then clean it. But my mother says that once if you clean the vegetable after cutting all the vegetables into small pieces, the nutrition will be gone, and also it won't get cleaned properly. So after a lot of research, I understand that my mother was right. So like my mother, I will first clean all the vegetables and then only I'll cut them into small pieces. So I'll do that next. So while the vegetables are being cut, I'll keep the tuvar dal to get boiled. So I have already washed the tuvar dal. So I'll put the 1 cup of tuvar dal in a cooker, and 1 tumbler of water, and I'll keep it to boil. Now the vegetables have been cut. So the vegetables for the sambar has been cut in big pieces, and for the avial in small pieces. So here the brinjal, the tomatoes. You can see it's a very colorful plate for the sambar. You have got the white melon, the water bean, carrot, tomatoes, potatoes, drumstick, raw banana, brinjal, and yam. And then I'll add onion also to it. And for the avial, there is the yam and carrots, papaya, drumstick, white melon, raw banana, potatoes, water bean, and tomatoes. And I'll grind and add the coconut with green chilies and a little cumin seed. And for the sambar, I'll add 1 onion also. So now I'll add all the vegetables into the tuvar dal that is getting boiled. It has been boiling for quite a while now. And I'll add 1 onion also. and let it boil. Then I'll add curry leaf. Then chilies. I've slit the chilies. Turmeric powder, salt, and now I'll close it and let 2 whistles come. And while this is getting cooked, I'll prepare the avial also. I've put all the vegetables in a cooking bowl. Now I'll add some salt and some turmeric, salt, curry leaves, and a few chilies. Chilies you can put in 2 ways. Either you can put it directly, or you can just grind them, roughly grind them with the coconut. So I'm going to put it directly into the avial. You don't need to add water because the vegetable will cook in the water from the vegetable itself. So only later, if you need some water, you can add. To see if all the vegetables are cooked, you have to see that the yam has cooked properly. Put it on a low flame. Keep up to 2 to 3 whistles. Then you can off. Now that the vegetables have cooked, I've kept it again. The vegetable and the dal, they have all cooked very well. So now I'll add some tamarind water to it. Tamarind I had soaked 1 hour before I started cooking the sambar. Before cutting the vegetables and all, I had kept this tamarind in the water. So now the pulp has come out. Now I'll put this water into the sambar. Now I'll cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. To test if the vegetables have cooked, the one that takes the maximum time to cook are the yam. So I'll check if the yam is cooked. So I'll take out one yam and I'll see if it is cooked. Yes, that means all the vegetables have cooked. So now I can add the grated coconut to it. I've grated coconut with a little cumin seed. Added a single drop of water into the avial. The vegetable cooked in the water in the vegetables itself. So now I'll add all the coconut, grated coconut. I've made a small well, and now I'll heat the vegetables over it. Now the water in the vegetables have dried out. So what I'll do is I'll add a little water, put some water into the jar, and I'll put that water into the avial. Okay, and I'll lower the flame and cook it for another 5 minutes. Now see, the sambar is getting ready on the other stove, and you can see the color of the sambar has changed. See, the color of the sambar has changed. It has become a little dark. First it was yellowish. Now it has become dark brown because we added tamarind to it. So now the sambar is ready. Now we can add the masala to it. I'll put a little oil and I'll heat the masala, sambar masala powder. So I'm using Brahmin's masala powder. So I'll heat it, then add a little bit of water, and then I'll put it into the sambar. So that's it. Now just for 5 minutes I'll keep it, and then we will remove it from flame. Okay. Now the steam is coming from the avial. So to it we'll add a little bit of fenugreek powder. And some oil, coconut oil. My mother doesn't use coconut oil because of health issues, so even I don't use. So the vegetable has been prepared. There is one more step. To make it more tastier, we'll add some curd. So that's it. Now the avial has been prepared.